Hi everyone, I have an amazing Dollar Tree haul for you. I've hit the jackpot and I can't wait to show you. Welcome back to Belinda's DIYs. If you're new, thanks for stopping by. I hope that you consider to subscribe to my channel. Here's just a sneak peek of some of the items. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I want to start by showing you what I consider the jackpot of this Dollar Tree haul. And it is these marquee signs, and they're lighted, by the way. Let me first start with this arrow, and this is about 8.5 inches in height. This brand, Marquee Love, is completely new at my Dollar Tree. This is the first time that I see these. Now they also have different signs. They have the X's and the O's, and really what you can do with these is personalize them according to your color scheme. Unfortunately, my store didn't have the X and the O, but I did find some other designs and I'm going to show them to you in just a little bit. The next design is this Anne, and as you can see, it has all those little circles or openings, and that's where the light fixtures go in there. After I'm done showing you all the signs, I'll go ahead and open one of the boxes just so that you can see what's all inside. The next one is this plus sign. At first I thought it was a cross, but I guess you can use it however you'd like. And the last one is this hashtag symbol, and this one is about 10.5 inches in height. So this is the biggest one that I found. Okay, so now I'm going to open up this Anne sign, and that way I can see all it has. As you can see, it is a good size, and the exterior is like a hard cardboard, so you can paint this whatever color that you'd like. I'm not really sure what these are called, but it comes with a bag with these clear plastic bulbs. And so what you do is that you insert them into the holes just like this. And it also comes with a battery operated LED lights. And it does require AAA batteries. And then here are all the little LED lights. And so once you've added all your bulbs, then you go and you add your LED lights. And it also comes with this back cover. So once you've added your bulbs and your LED lights, you just place that in the back and you cover everything up. I have to say this is totally a big bargain because you get all this for just $1. So this is, my friends, a big jackpot. I believe I hit it big with this Dollar Tree haul. And up next is this awesome jars, and these are the ball mason jars. I could not believe that I found these at Dollar Tree, so please be in the lookout for these mason jars. Now I went ahead and I purchased 3 of them, and they are a good size. I'm sure you know that these are pretty pricey in any other store. You cannot find these for $1. And here are some more jars. Now these have a copper lid, which I thought it was very unique and pretty. And also the exterior of the jar has this raised squares, which I think it makes it very unique and pretty. So these are perfect to use as vases or just to store things. These are just really amazing, I think so. And I believe these are new items for Dollar Tree. Now I'm going to be using these children's shovel and rake for a DIY that I have in mind. I think these are a perfect size to use for any outdoor DIYs. And here's another item from the kids' toy section. It's this watering can. Now I purchased this because I thought it was really cute and I can also use it for a future DIY. Now here is a unique find that I found in the kids' toys department, and it is an antique tub. How about that? And this is a good size as well. Now I'm going to be using this for a future DIY. Next up are these ceramic trinket little dishes, and I usually don't buy them, but I really liked each one, so I just had to have them. So I have this one here that has a bike, and it reads "Enjoy the journey." And I'm so into cycling, so I really love that one. And then there's this one that says "Bloom where you're planted," and I thought it was really, really pretty. And then here's this one that says "It's the little things in life." So I love what it said, so I purchased this one as well. And I also purchased these 3 wire baskets. Now these are a bit different from what Dollar Tree normally carries. They usually have the handles up at the sides, but these don't. So I had not found these, and I know that other people had hauled them. I had just not found them in my Dollar Tree. So I went ahead and I purchased these for future DIYs. And here's another new item, this square wire wreath. Now it is a good size. This I think will be great for the upcoming holidays, like for fall or for Christmas. This is a really good find. And here's a new brand name. It's a wall sticker that reads "Laundry." I really like the font. This is different. I had not seen these at Dollar Tree, so I thought it was really nice. Well, that is it. I hope that you enjoyed this haul. I know that I did. If you liked it, please give me a big thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. You have yourself a blessed day, and remember, love, laugh, and create. Until my next video, bye-bye and God bless.